Hey everyone, welcome back. Logging in into the Barclays app on your phone is simple once your account is set up. First, start by opening the Barclays app on your phone and make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. Then, go ahead and click on register for the app and then go ahead and create a memorable 5-digit passcode for logging in into the app. Once you create a password, accept the terms and conditions and then click on yes or no if you do not have so. Then go ahead and choose the card you want to use to set up the app. After that, go ahead and enter your first name, then your last name and your date of birth. Once you're done, click next and then enter your mobile number. Click next. After you enter your card number, your membership number, registered username followed by your passcode. If you have a fingerprint or Face ID enabled, you can use biometric login instead of entering your details. After logging in, the app will verify your identity and take you to your account's dashboard. If you are unable to log in, double check your details and make sure the app is updated to the latest version, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.